In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Dropbox on your desktop. Whether you're used to accessing Dropbox from your website or through Google Chrome, downloading the Dropbox desktop app can streamline your experience, offering you ease of access and better organization for your files. Let's dive right into the steps to download and install Dropbox on your desktop. To begin, open your favorite internet browser, like Google Chrome, and navigate to the search bar. Here, simply type in Dropbox and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. What you're looking for is the official Dropbox website link, which should read something like dropbox.com. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, the next step is to download the setup for the Dropbox desktop app. You'll often find a download button or link prominently displayed on the site. Give that a click. This should initiate the download process for the Dropbox installer to your computer. If you can't immediately find the download button, you may need to scroll down slightly until it's visible. Being familiar with other apps may help in recognizing this page layout. When the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, which is usually in your Downloads folder, unless you've specified a different location. Now it's time to install Dropbox. Double-click on the downloaded setup file, and a new window will pop up, guiding you through the installation process. During installation, you may be prompted with an option to run or cancel. Of course, you'll want to click Run to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Dropbox app open, ready to be used. At this point, you might already have Dropbox opening automatically. If so, you're one step ahead. For first-time users or new installations, you'll need to log in with your existing Dropbox account credentials. Don't have an account? Don't worry. You can sign up right from the app's interface. After logging in, your Dropbox interface will guide you through how to synchronize files between your desktop and your Dropbox cloud storage. This feature is incredibly handy, as it helps conserve precious hard drive space while keeping your files secure and accessible from anywhere. Bear in mind, the synchronization may take some time, depending on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, but it's well worth the wait. That sums up how to easily download and set up Dropbox on your desktop. I really hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave a comment or review below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.